Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello everybody, hope you're doing fantastic. We can look at Filecoin today because we've got some really key areas of support and resistance to look at and some big targets. So yeah, take a look at this together, and first things first, do squeeze that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment down below, and also hop into the Discord channel if you want to. You can find that in the description. And big thanks to patrons Mub, Peter, Alp and Kara, who are loving their ebook right now. So Filecoin is trading at $29.83 with a market cap of 4.3 billion, and over the 1 year we're still up 33%, but you know, looking at every other kind of metric here, it's looking pretty gory. So we need to basically take a look at Filecoin as to whether it's still worth putting money into, even at this particular price level. So in some videos a few weeks back, we were looking at this range that we were trading in after falling out of this ascending triangle. So we had a big bull trap over here. Lots of longs were liquidated, lots of longs also liquidated over here on the 26th of December, and then once again over here on the 4th of January. So we'd expect lots of short positions to be in here, and maybe we're going to get that bounce to the upside when these people going short in the fearful stage, maybe they're going to get punished by the market. So it's very possible now we're going to get this bounce back up to 24, maybe retest it as a resistance, and then work our way back up to that 27 price level. But you know, that may not happen. We may consolidate here for a while, actually lose the support, then retest, and unfortunately we may actually come down to this other very key area of support, which is backed up by these beautiful wicks over here from, you know, December and January 2020. As we can see, these are key areas of resistance that have been flipped into support for us. But of course now we've got these levels over here, such as the £22 level, which you know, that signifies great strength of support, and we almost lost that. Well, we did lose that momentarily. So what we have done now is we've actually retested it as support, haven't we? So we've already come down and retested the support. We need to see if we can break through back to the upside. I mean, looking at the RSI on the daily time frame, you can see these highs just getting lower and lower. You know, there's no momentum, nobody's really buying it, but finally we've got a higher low, and you know, the resistance that is dropping slowly, so it's converging. I think we are due a breakout soon. I can't see this coming lower than 19. I know I said that at 24 and 21, but I mean, it's just a great project, and I don't understand why it needs to correct this hard. If we take the fib retracement already from here to here, we're way overcorrected. You know, we corrected probably like 90 odd percent from here to where we are now, 86%. So we are due a pump, and this is just on the daily time frame right here. So that's what we can see. We're getting that rollover still. The highs are becoming lower, and the lows are pretty much all becoming lower. So we need to put through a higher low, which I think would be around the 24 pound mark there. If we go into that 4 hour time frame, we can see that we're still under the 20-day moving average, which is typically quite bearish, and now we're just consolidating here. So it's still very possible that we may see more continuation to the downside, because I mean, we're just struggling here. We're in a perfect range, it's almost like a broadening channel, and we need to basically break out this 22 level to see some continuation to the upside, retest those resistance levels. Otherwise we fall down and we come back down to the bottom of this channel, and we'll be seeing the 18 pound level over there. As you can see, the volume is also dropping off. We're not really getting much volume anymore, which is another key thing to look at. So we need to get that volume back in, and at the moment nothing is really happening. So it could be a very good accumulation area if you're DCAing. This might be a nice area for you to potentially DCA some more if you believe in the project. Of course, only put a margin of your capital in, don't go all in. So it probably wouldn't be too worthwhile. So yeah, that's it really with Filecoin. I think if we go back to the daily time frame, as a little conclusion, we need to bounce off this 21 level, and then we'll come back up to that 24 resistance where we fell out of this support line at 24. So basically bounce up from 21, come to 24, or we hold this level 21, trade sideways for a bit, and we fall it, we go short, and we'll be coming down to 19, which would be the area to take profits on any short position. Not financial advice, of course. So that's what I'm seeing over there, guys. And thanks for checking in. So if you did like the video, do smash the subscribe button, hit a like, leave a comment down below. And yeah, big thanks to our 3 patrons over here. If you want to become a patron, you will unlock access to this fantastic ebook that I wrote, and they all loved it so far. So here it is, price for coffee. Do become a patron, and I appreciate the support. See you in the next one, guys.